Hey guys, I'm Nathan and we're gonna be doing another Chrome Valley Customs update. Now, so we got this 5 days ago. Let's read it. Angelo's brought us a McDonald Freightline 250 big rig and an even bigger proposal. But is our big rig ready to hear it? Hashtag Chrome Valley Custom. Okay. So we got this. We got the big rig now. We got that big truck dude. Big rig. I think it's called big rig. This big rig needs to... Okay, so it is big rig. Okay, so that's cool. So we got big rig here. What's up, big rig? Alright, and yeah, we got this. We got conveyor belts. Conveyor belts. I mean, but anyway, so let's read it. The rig brought us 120 new levels and new conveyor belt blocker. Which blocker is your nemesis? Which blocker? Oh, it's trying to say what's my favorite blocker? I mean, I guess it's... Man, I don't even know what blockers are there. There's so many blockers. But anyway, so we got, conveyor belt. I guess I don't have a favorite blocker. I guess that's what it's asking. But, oh, it's Freightline 250. That's what kind of truck it is. So it's just Big Red, just the name of it. But it's just like the brand of it. How would you restore it? So let me see. I would restore it like this one. The white one. The white truck. That's how I would restore it. Like that. That'd be cool. Okay, so how would you restore... Okay, I was just looking at the other post. How would you restore the classic American hauler? Talking about bigger... If it's ain't in Freightline, it ain't on top. What? What was that? What did I just read? Oh, man. Anyway. So, got hashtag Chrome Valley Customs. Hashtag Big Rig. Hashtag Gearhead Games. Wow. What? Okay. There's a lot of people popping up, but... Okay. Game. Okay. Yeah. Gearhead Games. Hashtag car customization, hashtag mobile gaming, hashtag auto modes, okay, hashtag keep on trucking, okay, oh, there's actually a music video, keep on trucking, look at that. Okay, and hashtag 10... Wait, hashtag 10-40 good buddy? I don't think it's popping up. It's not blue. It's not an actual link, you know what I mean? But yeah, I will restore the one with the white. Alright, last one. Come on. Okay, there we go. Alright, the McDonald the McDonald Freightline embodies reality over the long haul. Okay, I'm not gonna forget to read this, and that's this time. Last time I had forgot to read some. I'm not gonna forget to read this one. Alright, so hashtag Chrome Valley Customs, hashtag Big Red, mobile game. Okay, hashtag new content. Hashtag keep on trucking. We saw this. Okay. Alright. We saw most of it. Okay. Alright, so Freightline 250. McDonald Industries is Americans' foremost manufacturer of commercial, industrial, and heavy-duty vehicles. McDonald. The Freightline 250 is McDonald's signature long-haul tractor trailer. So, yeah. Americans, kids of a certain age know McDonald's jingle by heart. If it ain't on a Freightline, it ain't Freightline, it ain't on time. Okay. Freightlines are used for various commercial endeavors. Oh my God. From root beer delivery to wrecked car transportation. Transportation. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it. And hope you enjoyed it. And so I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, I keep saying hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it. And go down the description. You can find everything that you need. Let me know when you want me to get on active on Facebook. Okay, let me know. Because let me know. And see you next time.